Hi, to turn on and off NFC on your Samsung Galaxy S25, all you have to do is to find and open Settings, and here choose Connections. After that, you would see NFC and contactless payments. So tap this section, and now if you can see that the status is off, then NFC is disabled. To enable, tap on the switcher to see the status on, and so the switcher would become blue. And also make sure that you set default wallet app, and here you can find non-payment NFC services and disable or enable something from here. Now to disable NFC, just tap on the switcher again to see the status off. You can reach this feature easily if you just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger quick settings, then swipe this line down also, and from here find NFC. If you cannot see it, then tap this pen icon, choose to edit, and find it in available buttons list. And here it is. So I'm just gonna tap it to add to my quick settings and tap done. And let's tap done again. Now to enable or disable, we need to simply tap it. If you can see that this icon is white, then NFC is on and you can make contactless payments just with the help of holding your phone near reader. To turn off, just tap again. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.